Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you are studying well at home. Okay, so in the previous lecture we had solved some exercise, some questions of the exercise that is given after chapter number 5 of English grammar, that is the noun and kinds of noun. Okay, so we are on chapter number 5 solving the exercises. Half of the exercises remaining, so we will solve that other half today. Okay, so I just want you to open page 22 of your fancy book. Okay, so just do it fast. And I guess we have solved question number D in the previous lecture, so today we will begin with question number D. Okay, I am reading the question for you. Tick the balloons. See, I am here. Okay, I am reading it here. This question. So the question is, tick the balloons with nouns written on them. Okay, tick the balloons with nouns written on them. See, there are so many balloons given on which some verbs are written, some nouns are written. You have to tick the balloon which is having a noun written in it. Okay. You have to tick that balloon in which a noun is written, on which a noun is written. Okay, so just do it fast. Let's do it, come on. First is Mary, then January. Okay, and then sing. See, again in your book, the use of capital letters is wrong as per my knowledge. Okay, Mary, January, sing. Okay, and I am making here balloons for you. We have 3 balloons in which we have to just tick that balloon in which a noun is written. हमें सिर्फ उन balloons को tick करना है जिन पर noun लिखा है. Okay, so let's have a look at this word. What is this? M-A-R-Y, Mary. Okay, so Mary. Mary can be the name of a person, just like that poem you have studied in your pre-primary classes, like Mary had a little lamb. Okay, so in that poem, who was Mary? Mary is the name of a girl there. So Mary can be the name of a girl. Okay, Mary is a noun therefore. So we will tick this balloon like this. You will do it with your pencils, and then those pencils should be sharp. Okay. Then next to it is January. What is January? Is it the name of something? Yes, January is the name of something. Something what? January is the name of a month, and anything which is a name is noun. So January is also a noun, therefore we will tick it. Okay? Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. अभी ये वो sing नहीं है रणवीर सिंह या अरिजीत सिंह वाला sing. This is sing, गाना गाना. Okay? To sing. Okay, so गाना गाना, that means something is happening, कुछ work हो रहा है ना? It is the name of, it is a verb, not something's name. ये किसी का नाम नहीं है, ये एक verb है. Okay, verb means this sing is an action verb. Okay, sing, it is an action verb. So we will not put a tick over here. We will just leave it as it is. Okay, इस पे कुछ नहीं करना है. We will leave it as it is. Then a balloon just down below it is, and here on this balloon apple is written. Again A capital they have made, A-double-P-L-E, apple. So here apple. What is an apple? It is the name of a fruit. Okay, what is an apple? It is the name of a fruit, and anything which is a name is a noun. Very good. So tick करेंगे या नहीं? Do we tick it or not? Yes. We will put a tick over it. So just put a tick mark over this. Then written on this balloon. Now what is talk? What is talk? Is it the name of something? क्या किसी का name talk होता है? क्या हमारी क्लास में कोई talk है? For example, is anybody like the name of talk in our class? Teacher calls talk Singh Rathod, come here. No, na. It is not like that. So talk cannot be somebody's name or something's name. किसी चीज का नाम भी talk नहीं होता. Talk means क्या? बात करना. बात करना. That means some work is happening. That means this word is an action word. Okay, what is this? It is an action word. Therefore, it is not a noun. So we will not put a tick over it. We will just leave it as it is. Leave it as it is means ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. Okay? Moving on to the next balloons. Here one balloon containing the name pencil. Okay, again this P will not be capital as per my knowledge. Okay. Why am I telling as per my knowledge and things like that? Because pencil is not a proper noun, right? Pencil एक proper noun नहीं है. So this should be written in small letters. The first letter should not be capital. As in all the see, Mary. It is the name of a person. The name of a person. Okay, I am not telling you girl or boy. This is the name. This can be a name of a girl. Okay. So this is a proper noun. This is a particular. This is a special name of a month. That's why it is a proper noun. It is written in capital letter. The first letter is capital in both these nouns. Why? Because they are proper nouns. But things like this, like words, can never be in capital. They never start with a capital letter. And some common nouns do not. They never start with a capital letter. So we have to take care of it also. The book hasn't taken care of it. That is okay. Completely fine. So pencil. What is a pencil? Is it an action word? Pencil कोई action word है? No. Pencil is the name of a thing. Yes ना? वही चीज जिससे just अभी आप लिख रहे हो, जिसकी help से, right? You are writing with a pencil. That thing. The name of that thing is what? It's a pencil. Okay. Now, if for example I say Apsara pencil. Apsara extra dark. This is a very famous pencil. है ना? So Apsara extra dark is the name of a brand of pencil. ये पेंसिल का एक ब्रांड का नेम है. ओके. इस कंपनी के पेंसिल्स काफी अवेलेबल है मार्केट में. जस्ट लाइक नटराज. ओके. NATRAJ नटराज. ओके. So all these, now see, I have written here it in capital letters. The first letter of all the words are capital. Why? Because all these are proper nouns. Why? Because all these are proper nouns. Pencil लिखूंगी तो pencil तो कोई भी हो सकती है ना. Pencil can be any pencil. But if we are using Apsara extra dark pencil, this name, the brand, okay. So this brand is a proper noun, and we will always write it in the capital letter. The first letter will always be capital. Just similarly as in Natraj, this is a brand, so the first letter will always be capital. Okay. So pencil, what is it? It is the name of a thing. So obviously it is a noun. Therefore we will put a tick over it. Then 3 more balloons are there. I just hope they are visible on that side. Just let me give a check. Yeah, can be visible. अच्छा, आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैम के सारे बलून्स की तो ऐसे हवा निकल रही है. ओके. पुश, PUSH, push, dog, and what is this? Right. Okay. So push means to push away something. धक्का देना. Okay. Now here some work is happening. Some work is being done. कुछ action हो रहा है. Push is an action. Push किसी का नाम नहीं होता. Push is not the name of anything. Or any person or a place or a thing or an animal. Push is not the name of all these things. So push is not a noun, it is a verb. So we will not do anything with this push. We will just leave it as it is. Dog. What is the noun की definition में कुछ relation है इसका? Noun is the name of a person, animal or thing. Is it the name of a person? No. Place? No. Animal? Yes, it is the name of an animal. So we will put a tick over it. Okay. Then the next word is write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Write. जैसे जो अभी आप कर रहे हैं. You are writing ना? You are, doesn't matter you are putting just tick marks. You are writing something. Okay, so write, आप लिख रहे हैं, तो you are doing an action. Okay, so that's why write is an action verb. So we will leave it as it is because we have to take only nouns. Okay, so just do it first, then we will move on to the next exercise. And that's a very interesting question. Okay, so moving on to the next question, that is on the next page, page number 23. So open it before I write 3 here. Open it fast. अच्छा, it is already open ना, because 22 is open, तो 23 तो automatically open हो ही गया होगा. Okay, so we are on page number 23 now, and we are going to solve the question number F. I'm reading the question for you. Look at the pictures and give proper nouns for them. What we have to do? We have to just look at the pictures there. See, there are so many pictures given. It is given now? Yes or no? Yes. So there are so many pictures given. 6 pictures are given. आपको pictures को देखना है और उन pictures के लिए proper nouns लिखने हैं. Proper nouns means, हाँ proper noun तो we know, but proper noun ही क्यों लिखना है? Because these are some particular person ना, like Mother Teresa, this first picture, she is a woman, तो woman is a common noun, but her name Mother Teresa is a proper noun. तो वही आपको proper noun, common noun और अच्छे से समझ में आए, इसलिए इस टाइप की exercises दी हुई हैं. So just the name of first picture, who is she? A great lady. Okay, the Nobel Prize winner. Okay, so she is Mother Teresa. So the first name is Mother Teresa and T-E-R-E-S-A, Mother Teresa. ठीक है? And if I find any of the book in which this M and this T is not written in capital, then you see I'll not give you good or a star or whatever I gave it to you now. Just I'm telling you all the proper nouns we are writing. Therefore you have to begin all the words with a capital letter. और ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो यहाँ small letter, capital letter कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है. Okay? EVS में that is okay. Mathematics में that is okay. But in English, these are all a part of grammar. The capital letter, the small letters, all these are a part of grammar. और अगर आप गलत लिखते हैं तो it is not permissible. Okay? So M will be capital, T will be capital. Okay, then second picture, picture number 2. Oh, very famous monument. What is this monument? This is the symbol of love and it is in Agra. Yes, it is Taj Mahal. Okay, what is this? It is Taj Mahal. T capital. Okay, T-A-J Taj and M-A-H-A-L Mahal. Taj Mahal. And this is a proper noun. This is why? Because there are so many monuments. Monument word जो है वो एक common noun है क्योंकि बहुत सारे monuments हैं. But ताज महल दूसरा नहीं है दुनिया में, ठीक है? तो ताज महल is a proper noun. वैसे ही मदर टेरेसा एक ही है और एक ही थी. मदर टेरेसा दूसरी नहीं है दुनिया में. So मदर टेरेसा is a proper noun. It is the name of a lady. That's why it is a proper noun. Then third picture is of a princess. Okay, I think this is a Disney princess. एक Disney princess है ये, है ना? So Disney princess, I guess she is Cinderella. Okay, so let's write her name here. C-I-N-D-E-R-E-L-L-A, Cinderella. Okay, do you know the story of Cinderella? She used to live with her stepmother. Stepmother means Soteli ma. Okay, she used to live with her stepmother and stepsister. Okay, then one day she got something magical, na magical things to happen every time in the Disney tales. So she got one magical thing. I'm just forgetting what is that. So then that way she went to a big palace and there she met a prince. और फिर उधर से उसका जो पूरा लाइफ है it got changed. So this is a very very good story, a very good fairy tale. So this is the princess Cinderella. The picture of Cinderella is given over there. अच्छा, if I write here princess, PRINCESS, तो ये princess जो है ना, this is a common noun because there are so many princesses. But the specific name of this princess Cinderella makes this word a proper noun. ये एक particular princess का name है, इसीलिए ये एक proper noun है. Okay? Now, this is a statue. Okay? What is this statue? This statue is of what? This is the Statue of Liberty that is in the United States of America. Okay, so let's write the name. Capital, okay? STATUE, Statue of Liberty. LIBERTY, Statue of Liberty. Okay, then moving on to the next picture, and this is very famous personality of India. Who is this? The very famous cricketer जो हर मैच में probably in almost every matches he has hit a century. It's a record of century of this person. Who is this? The next person, a very famous cricketer. He is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, the idol of every aspiring cricketer. So who is this? He is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Then number 6. Sixth picture is of a river. Okay, अब ये river जो है बिल्कुल छोटा सा picture दिया है. तो let's write the name of any river we know. Well, I can guess this is the Ganga river. Okay, so this is Ganga. G capital GANGA. Ganga. ठीक है, this can be any other river you know, but the scenario should be like this. So I am writing here Ganga. You can write the name of any other river. So Ganga. Okay, so all these are what? These are all proper nouns. ठीक है? So first one was Mother Teresa. Second is Taj Mahal. Third picture is of Cinderella. Fourth picture is of Statue of Liberty. Fifth is of Sachin Tendulkar and sixth is of the river Ganga. Okay, so and you have to write all it beginning with a capital letter. Don't forget to do that. Just do it fast. Okay, and take a screenshot of this if yours is not done. Okay, and from my side I am doing all the efforts to make the proper noun and common noun clear to you. Okay, from my side I am doing all the koshish to just make the proper noun and common noun understandable so that you can distinguish between both of them. Okay, so question number G is, well, I can give it to you in homework, but it may be a little difficult for you. Across, and there is a picture of this is a cat. Okay, this is the picture of a cat. I can't draw it, it will just simply waste the time. Okay, it is there in your book, you can see it is a cat. Okay, and here is the main task that we have to do. घर पे होगा. So cat cap. Now I'm reading the question. Look at the following pictures. Then try to fit words in the given crossword. ओके हमें ये पिक्चर्स को देखना है, जो पिक्चर्स मैंने ऑलरेडी आपके लिए नेम्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिए हैं, और फिर हमें ये क्रॉसवर्ड पजल सॉल्व करनी है. द वर्ड्स टू बी फिटेड इन ऑल आर नाउन्स. और इस क्रॉसवर्ड पजल में जितने भी वर्ड्स फिट होंगे वो सारे नाउन होने चाहिए. ओके सो सी वी हैव 1 2 3 4 नेम्स. ओके सो जस्ट लेट्स राइट द फर्स्ट नेम हियर. और हमें ये एक्रॉस लिखना है. एक्रॉस मतलब इस ऐसे. ओके दिस वे एंड डाउन मीन्स दिस वे. सो एक्रॉस में व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? कैट. सो जस्ट लेट्स राइट द कैट इन द फर्स्ट नंबर. CAT cat. Okay, then what else to be written here? Okay, now down में see tin, we can write T beginning with T, TIN tin. Okay, then N. What ends with N? Actually na you know this is given ulta pulta. This should have come here, this should have come here, so that अगर ये across में दिया होता तो you can easily write it like this. Okay, so I am writing pen here, PEN. Okay, I have used a lot of my brain already to solve this, and at the end I came to the conclusion that this should have come here in the downward side and this should have come here in the across side. So this is given ulta pulta. Okay, then at last cap. See it is getting fit. अगर हम यहाँ पे cap लिखते, देखो cap अगर यहाँ CAP तो ये दोनों words फिर आ नहीं पाते. So that's why we are writing cap here, and this is just blank. Don't write anything there. So cat we have written, cap we have written, pen we have written. So just do it fast. I guess it is done. So children, next question is question number H and question number I. And see, whenever you will come to school we will do this question, or if you can do the question number H in homework, I'll be happy, and if you cannot, that is fine. Okay, वो जब आप आएंगे स्कूल तब हम कर लेंगे. Now in this English treasure book, okay, open this book fast because there is an exercise of noun that we have left in chapter number 1. Noun के basis पर एक exercise थी जो chapter number 1 में मैंने तब नहीं करवाई थी. Why नहीं करवाई थी, क्यों नहीं करवाई थी? Because that time noun आपको समझ में नहीं आया था, noun मैंने नहीं explain किया था. Okay, so I just want you to open page number 9 of your English literature book. Okay, open page number 9 of your English literature book. Page number 9 of English literature, English treasure. Okay, now you can see here exercise is given, underline the proper nouns and all. So exercise is given, underline the proper nouns. I am just writing half of the question. See, I am reading the question for you. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in each of these sentences. One has been done for you. Okay, so first is page 9 English treasure book. Open it fast. First is Riya brushes her teeth. What is proper noun here? We have to underline the proper noun. The proper noun is Riya and common noun is teeth. Okay, then number 2, the spider climbs the wall. both these words are common noun. Just circle both of them. Number 3, my mother walks in Rose Park every evening. Okay, so here Rose Park is a proper noun because it is a special name of a park, so we will underline it. Okay, and mother, the name of a person. Okay, so we will circle it because it is a common noun. Then number 4, London is a beautiful city. Okay, now city here is a common noun, so we will circle it. And London is the special name of city, so we will underline it. Then number 5, the goat eats grass. Now goat is the name of an animal, so we will circle it because it is a common noun. Eats is to our grass. So grass is a common noun. We will circle it. Okay, and now on this note, this exercise is finished. And the time is also over. Time is up for me to go. We will meet in the next lecture with a new chapter. Until then, you just study hard and take care of yourself. Bye bye.